Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can make your account private on BandLab. So let's get started. Firstly, open BandLab app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on settings. After that, scroll until you find privacy. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of private account. Turn on it by tapping on it. So then tap on make private. So this is how you can make your account private on BandLab. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.